I'm gonna attempt to do something stupid so like other people do on YouTube, and I am going to vacuum the street. Woo! Because I'm gonna be random. Because that's what it seems like what happens on YouTube is that people do the most randomest and stupid shit, and I'm gonna look really stupid. As people see me. Wait, I dropped my wire. Yep. I'm gonna attempt to look even more stupid than anyone's ever looked before. No one really comes down the street on this fucking road. It sucks, you know? Yep. The street's really dirty. I should probably vacuum, you know? Like I already don't look more stupid enough. I mean, already look stupid enough. Whee! No one comes down the road, so yeah.